Well, I'm viewing it as the weakest move I've ever seen from a superstar. Plain and simple. That's just how I look at it. You depart for the team that beat you when you're on the cusp of getting to the finals yourself or ultimately winning the championship for the franchise that you've been with since you've come into the NBA. I think it's incredibly weak. You're jumping on a bandwagon as far as I'm concerned.
Who are you, Stephen A, to come at my boy like that? When he came to ESPN, was that a weak move for him? No one called him weak for that. So why call my son weak for doing the same thing he did?
With all due respect to Mrs. Durant, the wonderful, lovely Mrs. Durant, you are wrong. ESPN never beat me. If ESPN was, quote unquote, the enemy, and I was knocking at the door, literally about to push the champions off of their cliff, and I failed, I damn sure wouldn't join them. That is what Kevin Durant did.
If I had a mic, I would drop it.
He's so great. Joining that team, to me, was almost unfair. And we've witnessed his greatness and how lopsided it made things. That's all.
How lopsided it made things, I don't agree with that. He's one player. So how did he make the league lopsided?
Because your son is phenomenal.
Well, he is phenomenal.
Yes.
You're correct in saying that. But I don't agree that he made the league one-sided. Kevin has a certain talent, and it shouldn't be watered down by anybody or where he plays. I don't think it's fair to minimize what Kevin offers Golden State and what they offered him to say that it was the weakest move in NBA history. I think you're wrong. You're too harsh. I'm still the mama. I'm always.
For you. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. There you go.